All right, you ready for your lesson? Let's get started. Okay, let's bow in. Ske, re. Mokuso. Ske, re. And you say, Shoganju, Yame Shame. Okay. Naihanchi Shodan. Hajime. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Naihanchi Shodan. Now, nuances. Okay. When you start a kata, hajime means to begin. So you do the bow, the beginning courtesy bow, and you state the name of the kata. Naihanchi Shodan. And hajime tells the sensei you're beginning. Right hand, left hand, right hand on the outside. Actually, your left hand is on the outside. What I should have told you in the beginning is I'm doing it in reverse order. The kata is supposed to go to the right. So when you follow me, you're doing it the right way. If you follow me in the direction that you see me going, with the you're doing it properly, because you're actually doing it in reverse order. I'm doing it backwards, so to speak, or in reverse. So it's easier for you to follow. And the hachis are all done on a straight line, and so they're going to be easy to do, backwards, so to speak. So the left hand comes up. So when I go Naihanchi Shodan, hajime. So from here, my left hand goes on front. My right hand goes inside, about solar plex level. Some people get up like this, it's wrong. It's done low, about solar plex level, and rotates down. So that's one part, okay? Second part, and when you step over and your little toes touch, knees bent. And then when you step down, your feet come together and slide out into the hachidachi. Okay? Then you have this. This is the solar plex level. The arm is slightly bent. You can't hardly see the gi. If I didn't have my gi on, you see a bend, kind of a very light Z, pattern with my arm. Because it's bent as I block, and when I reach for the head, it straightens, and then you do a little strike. Okay, and the reason I'm telling you this, because the traditional way to learn kata, the way Sensei Oda taught it, the way Sensei Flores taught it, is no explanation. In fact, that's why you see really poor kata being done, especially in some of Okinawa Kenpo schools that have been Americanized. They're not really Okinawa Kenpo schools. They're just Okinawa Kenpo by name, and they mess up our kata all the time. Part of that is it's our fault, because traditionally in Okinawa and karate, it's an honor to study. So you just watch real closely over a long period of time, and hopefully you'll pick up on the nuances. Okay? And so that's why you see, a lot of times you'll see Sensei Oda watching a student do a kata, and it's pretty crummy, really. And you hear him say, nice, nice, because he just wants you to get the moves down. I don't. I want you to do it precisely, because I'm teaching you the fighting system of Okinawa Kenpo that is hidden inside the kata. You can't do the system properly if you're doing the techniques wrong in the kata, because you won't understand or the origin of the system, in other words, how they were hidden in the kata. So that's why I'm explaining the nuance to this, because I don't want you to learn it through trial and error, and I want you to learn it right the first time, okay? So then when you come to this type of movement, that's that sweep check. That's what it is. You're slapping the inside of your thigh, but you don't go up and do it. It's low and like so. And it's low and it's done like that. Okay? Then this is a cover position. You don't need to know what it is. You just need to do what I say. Okay? Okay? Old Okinawan way trading. So hands like on your hip, just out a little bit. Other hand rests on top right across your solar plexus. Okay? And every time you cover, it'll be that way. And then you downward block. And the downward block is done behind your leg, behind your body, with that bend in the elbow. So it's here. Some styles block like this, you'll get kicked. If you kick really hard, it'll blow past your block. That's why we block out here. We're moving your kick completely away from my body. That's the downward block. Okay? Then you have the hammer. Okay? From here, the elbow rests on your first two knuckles, and when you sweep, it comes across and you torque your body to a 45-degree angle. So you're like at 45 off your hip. Then you come back to the center. This is a half fist. This is a full fist. That's a half fist. So you're in a half fist position, and then you look and you sweep, and you come across again at 45 angle there with the bottom of your hammer fist. Hand out, hand up, and you cover, and this is a hammer strike, okay? It's a couple different things else, but for the most part, it's a hammer strike. So then you come across, and both hands are in alignment at solar plex level. Notice here's my hand at solar plex, there's my hand at solar plex. And then the arm's slightly bent, so when we go the opposite direction, it straightens out for the elbow strike. Then we get to, this is an outward block. This is an outward and downward block. This is the crescent block. That's all it is. You're practicing the crescent block. And so people think that you're blocking two punches. You're not blocking two punches. You're just blocking, you're doing the crescent block efficiently. In other words, you're practicing two at a time. The reason why we do some things two times is because at close quarter combat, we block and strike simultaneously. So from here, we're fighting very close quarter, block and strike. And so this is what they're getting you, the masters are getting you used to, doing two things with your hands that are opposite. This is the crescent block. I had to do it earlier, right? Okay, and I'm just doing it out with this hand. Now I'm just doing them both together. That's all we're doing here. Now, this is off the block. This is an inverted fist to the face. So you block, strike. That's what that is. Okay. That should pretty much cover what you need to know as far as the way the kata operates and the correct positioning of your body in the kata. Okay. Next kata would be Naihanchi Nidan. Ske Rei. Naihanchi Shodan. Hajime. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, yeah, 35. Naihanchi Shodan. Okay. Scary? Excellent. Good private lesson. Now, we'll bow out. Okay. Bowing out ceremony. Standing salutation, courtesy bow. Scary. Kneel down. Mokuso. Ske. Ray. And you say, Nihei Debi Du Sensei Sai. Excellent class. We'll see you next private lesson.